Does a big penis really guarantee better orgasms? Or is this just a myth? Welcome to Sex Ed Intimate Connections, where we delve into topics that matter to you. Today we're addressing a question that's often whispered about, but rarely discussed openly. Does penis size influence female orgasm? We'll explore the research, examine the factors that contribute to sexual satisfaction, and provide expert insights to shed light on this intriguing topic. Do you think size matters? Comment below. Stay tuned to the end to hear what women really say and want. This may surprise you. To begin, it's essential to understand the complexity of female orgasm. Research indicates that the majority of women achieve orgasm primarily through clitoral stimulation rather than vaginal penetration. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that only about 18% of women can climax from vaginal intercourse alone. This highlights the importance of external stimulation in female sexual satisfaction. Furthermore, the same study emphasized that combining clitoral and vaginal stimulation increases the likelihood of orgasm, suggesting that a multifaceted approach to sexual activity is beneficial. Stick around, because in just a minute, I'll reveal what women really say about size. Now let's delve into the role of penis size in sexual satisfaction. The human vagina is a highly adaptable organ, capable of accommodating a range of sizes. A study in the British Journal of Urology International surveyed 75 sexually active women and found that while preferences varied, many women reported that girth was more important than length for sexual satisfaction. However, it's crucial to note that this preference for girth did not directly correlate with the speed of achieving orgasm. The study concluded that other factors, such as sexual technique and emotional connection, play more significant roles in female sexual satisfaction. Drop a flame emoji if you're enjoying this video. Several key factors contribute to a woman's ability to climax. First, emotional connection. A strong emotional bond with a partner can enhance arousal and satisfaction. Feeling emotionally connected fosters trust and intimacy, which are crucial for a fulfilling sexual experience. Next, communication. Open discussions about desires, boundaries, and preferences can lead to more satisfying sexual encounters. Effective communication ensures that both partners' needs are met and can help in exploring new ways to achieve pleasure. Then, stimulation techniques. Incorporating various forms of stimulation, such as clitoral stimulation, oral sex, and the use of sex toys, can significantly increase the likelihood of orgasm. Exploring different techniques can help partners discover what brings the most pleasure. Finally, comfort and relaxation. Feeling safe, comfortable, and relaxed is essential for sexual enjoyment. Creating a comfortable environment and taking the time to relax can enhance the sexual experience and make it easier to achieve orgasm.
And action.
Dr. Debbie Herbenick, a renowned sex researcher, emphasizes that the way partners touch, kiss, and communicate is far more important for women's sexual pleasure than penis size. This perspective underscores the importance of focusing on the overall sexual experience rather than fixating on size. Additionally, a survey conducted by the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that women's satisfaction with their partner's penis size was not a significant predictor of their overall sexual satisfaction. This further supports the idea that factors other than size are more critical in achieving sexual fulfillment. It's not about the size of the boat, but the motion of the ocean. Now I've searched the internet to see what women really say, and here we have it. Size can be fun, but if he doesn't know how to use it, it really doesn't matter. Survey response from Women's Health magazine: girth is way more important than length. It's about how full you feel, not how deep it goes. Reddit discussion on our sex. I've had better orgasms with guys who are smaller but more attentive. The best lovers pay attention, not just rely on size. Cosmopolitan magazine interview. If there's no emotional connection or foreplay, size won't make a difference. Survey from the Journal of Sexual Medicine. Honestly, clitoral stimulation is the key. Size is secondary. If he knows how to take his time and focus on the right spots, that's what matters most. Sexual Health Forum discussion. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more expert insights on topics like sex education, intimacy, and relationships.